How to partition a hard drive in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to partition a hard drive in Windows 11. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, simply type Windows plus S to open the search bar, and now here simply type disk management, or you can simply type create and format hard disk partition and simply click on it to open the disk management section. And now here, once you have opened the disk management, you simply have to find the disk or the hard drive that you want to partition. And once you've found that, you can simply right click on it. And now here from the pop-up menu, you simply have to click on shrink volume. And after that, you simply have to wait for some times. And after that, on the new pop-up menu, you simply have to enter the amount of space that you want to shrink to. So here, simply enter the amount of space that you want to shrink to. And after that, you can simply click on the shrink option. And now here, once you click on the shrink option, you will now see unlocated space on your drive after some times. So here you simply have to right click on the unlocated space, and there you simply have to click on new simple volume. And after that, on the pop-up menu, you simply have to click on next, and there you simply have to enter the size for the new partition. If you want, you can multiple partitions and leave some space unlocated, and after that you can simply click on next. And after that, you simply have to choose a drive later, and after that you can simply click on next again, and here you can simply click or choose your format, and once you're done with it, you can simply click on next, and after that you can simply click on finish. And here, once you do that, it will verify the partition, and once you've done with that, you can simply go to the spacey section on the Windows folder, and here, as you can see, the new partition has been created. And that's it. That's how you can partition a hard drive in Windows 11. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.